Good morning, country people. Them number 1 day for March 2024, and a week when a woman them then get them, and we get talk, and you wait there for upside, you get for she don't only quiet so that me ye all. Thing that what don't happen for inside a week, for Friday we the ever bring them, so that person will not be there. Yourself it go catch all thing way it be happen from Monday to Thursday. Message where we want send for upside since I with them now for women a week. We tell woman they say this so Women's Day no na for go dreaming but drunk. Women's Day no na for go dance sleep for obligation. Women's Day na for go match and then talk wait away it disturb now for inside the society. Now, because some women them now they don't decide say this, so if they not get the Women's Day wrapper, that means a marriage it must check. We not na so. So me we check sense. If your master not get money for buy the wrapper, me use yourself, you move your money buy them because when you take 1 year, if you be put na 50 francs, that means say you for don't get the money for take them buy the wrapper day. Another one, it go now for patron for inside country. The only worker will be most important and dangerous. Now cooker, that means say house girl and house boy plus driver. When patron the worker with driver, time will stand for chop. Me try to forget chop for driver because driver be part of the family. Because when you do chop, driver remain for steering. That means say it ain't a slave and when I carry your life. House girl, me you take house girl, me be like your family member. Because if you determine he go check say be slave if he put all your family for burying ground and will not be normal. That one a message we don't send them today. So we go talk palava burning jetins for camion them for site for Bafut for my 24. We go talk market way born for site for Baminda after different in the way we go talk am. Sense story a talk serity. Sense story for sham morning time a detail we say fall where in the year 12 equal last year na waka stick for your head. Fall where in the year 12 equal last year na waka stick for your head. Person where instead of for we they call am pa no sabi it is shidon for side they call am for Tuba and Tuba it then for that side for northwest Cameroon. Ma Francisca is support am for Ebolova. Anyway they now the sense to read that for today. Me we talk Ndenge we dey come back before we enter now the talk. We talk good morning for country people them again for upside. Those where did just join the program na join them. Meaning no say this so na NJANGI house. And NJANGI house it take place na for LTM television and LTM television it did na for Yaounde. Quite a robot and say Santa Barbara and we did only for corner A to D. That means for corner presidency. So Friday na day we will ever get strangers. We begin to get two, but traffic is there for inside Yaounde now pass mark as they don't add price for taxi from 300 to 350 and then for night 400 francs. It overcost traffic because of 50 francs. So stranger we don't come for 2 hours for this morning time for some blue talk. They call him Mr. Hillary. USSF now one of the Cameroonians them we know this country fine because now film actor. Countryman come good for 2 hours.
Come good, General Moko. Come good to everyone who will follow us at this time. I want to salute Bright Future. I want to salute everybody where it make it possible at this time for the follow us. Come good to you all.
Okay. So country people then we get for starting at the Tory man where they available now for Tory house. Use yourself, you fit try for correct time so that we fit meet up two for Tory house for Friday. They do them, they open for any person. We know the choose person, but now the time you know the Chapter 1, where to make news for inside the week. Now accident for inside Santa Barbara. Santa Barbara where they for corner presidency for Cameroon and inside capital. Where to be happen? Now this boy where we come out for go enjoy your life, because when you suffer in this you take some time for enjoy. He go enjoy for some molo place for Santa Barbara. Time where 1 a.m. for sharp morning time. He enter for inside the black car where na personal car for the go back for house. What happen? This camion a be for corner road with Nyanga. Yes, a come with trouble. A can not come for Nyanga where a stand. Now in that way, a come one time. A go sleep for ground. Last they carry. They go live him for hospital. He sleep for sick bed and lucky. Say this so. Now only you want every day. If some person be there where she done for this side, sometime we for the talk now where a yes a then a mortuary. So this one now God. But the 1 week in every pass for Cameroon where accident it no happen. Chapter for accident, Mr. Hillary. Cameroon and even for inside Yaounde, Moko this one with a private car, there is no get the plate number. That means no get plate number, but it is circulate for inside capital. This one, where do you go for talk? It makes sense.
General.
Yes, I do.
You know, say most of the time we take seriousness for what will not be, useful. For this country, they apply seriousness for what will not get used. Now this kind of thing where I think say the office of law and order are supposed to knock their hand for table. And for me, if I be opportunity for work for any office for this government, I go try to talk to them they stop alcohol maybe for about 2 years. For see, maybe go help the citizen for gain, they maybe go help the citizen them for work upright. You see, as an accident happen, not be say the person be like go do a better because of intoxication. Person don't drink more than limit. Cannot stand, you can't hit them by yourself. So this problem is a very big issue. Make government put their eye especially more on private cars. How car go the work out without plate number? You know, say some other kind of active car.
And they talk so they saw that boy na boy way. They sabi for inside quarter plenty.
No, okay, the place where they know are plenty.
Yes. Where they show the car I own.
Where you show the car I own.
Yes.
But why if you get car, if you use money, huge amount of money, you buy motor, what you go pass you for get money for go make document, for get plate number for motor, you can't go drink that, go jam. For me, make government try to seize alcohol, and maybe for 2 years, people Cameroonians they go regain their senses.
We come on now for that one. We enter now for chapter for price them. For taxi for inside country, taxi it don't turn some kind way now where it bring total confusion for inside country. They say they so price for taxi it don't come up for 300 francs, it go in now for 350 for daytime, but school picking them for daytime they pay 300 francs, but for night they get for pay to 400 francs. Now we taxi men them they talk to this so this matter it is some kind way say this matter it is some kind way and in say this so me people them they check sense because all price if you talk na 300 francs, new one 350 for daytime, 400 for night. If you want to take na depot, that means na 3,000 for daytime and then 35 for night, and then for some baby place they take na 4,000. So this matter it don't make confusion because of the catch where we jam am for inside Cameroon, because you know say 50 francs it not be easy forget 50 francs it don't make am it cost traffic for inside country. So Mr. Hillary, why they get for add price for petrol for 120 francs and then they can add taxi now only 50 francs and we change you know the
General, first of all, you sure say na government add that price for taxi?
But book where don't come out now minister will be in charge of transport for country where it don't come out them.
When a minister add the money?
That means now you don't ask Adam because now you don't announce them for the public say this so taxi you don't climb for 350.
Because I be read a certain document where it is shows say government never add any money on transport. They instead talk say they go instead bring down the cost price for the document them. I don't know
Okay.
if you understand.
Yes.
I read that document. If they say talk, say they go cut down the rate of impo, what the way taxi they pay, what the way transport they pay, in order for the people to meet up with the expenses for the fuel. So if today taxi they are increase money, it means they will see into it. May the syndicate for the taxi driver union, may they explain how much 50 come on top of that money.
But when we ask some taximan, as you will see for images, some taximan, if they try for 10 we say this so, this matter this so, they get a small problem with the syndicate them, because when they want strike and then syndicate them, they talk to this so, me they wait, me they go see minister, but when they want come back, they say me they go work. So they can't tell and say this so, the price they don't add 50 francs, but people then still they argue. People that still they argue say this so they not be sure say na minister don't add the price, but na minister don't come out announce that we say that site is so the way is still be flow. Yes, so we could still look inside the matter for meet up. Minister me tell we whether it is so now you don't decide
or not.
Yes or not. Yes. So we come over that one now. We talk this palaver now. A coach for Lions for Cameroon, we national team, they don't talk say this so, and now minister will be in charge of sport. We don't come out book. He talks say this so. This countryman, the contract will be signed with Cameroon national team. Say it be finished for number 28 day for February. That means the show say this so. Sometime the visa and paper say this so. Mary go best song it go before with the work or the visa and say this so. Now new coach it could come, but this one it don't bring talk for inside of licensing and from both place say this so. This countryman it not be support for Shidon again for cheer like big man or coach for Lions. So somewhere it office where Naive be president, USSF it look it could come be. He say this so. You know they understand, but it they come clean and say this so. They get for change put different person like a coach for Lions, but now. Inside Yaounde, some people they don't start they propose, say they will get for bring this man, they will get for bring this man, they not will get for bring white man. So we could under the way to see person way it go change Rigobert sound. But this man we see say this so he don't qualify the Lions for go for World Cup for Qatar, and then he qualify again the Lions for go for African Nation Cup for that side for Cote d'Ivoire. So what you get for talk? That man not qualify for big coach for Lions.
Even from day one, are they against her?
You be a coach?
I be coach. I be Cameroonian.
Yes.
I know what the way this country be capable as far as football concerned.
Where they get for do it?
Where the country, I know the ability for Cameroonian football. Ever since we go back song, he entered as coach, the head of coach inside this country. We never get any remarkable account. Despite the fact that we qualify for go Qatar. We qualify for second for 16 round for African Nation Cup, but it was not good enough. Suringo Benson never deliver anything as far as football concerned for this country. He don't deliver anything. So
you now they talk say this so they get for fine another person who you propose them.
If H you know hold Hugo Bruce, see Hugo Bruce who drive from Cameroon, see players who carry South Africa go reach. You drive Hugo Bruce the driver. See what way South Africa play, just because of what way Hugo Bruce get upstairs. So me at the talk say if age, because I still say maybe about 70 years of age now, if age never hold Hugo Bruce, make Cameroonian government, make Samuel Eto'o go back, go look for Hugo Bruce, bring Hugo Bruce back. I believe that with Hugo Bruce, this next 2026, Cameroon get all right for take it.
But Cameroonians them they propose now Weibo, Achille Weibo for be coach for Cameroon, and some people then say this so they for bring now Patrick Mboma because they want follow way to way Senegal in the do.
Yes, now good idea. If Patrick Mboma they come in, Patrick Mboma na good player. Patrick Mboma don't make name for 9 seconds. I actually remember it was in Cameroon, Nigeria, where 1 second to end match, Patrick Mboma make Cameroonian smile. So if Patrick Mboma they come, I think say if he work as an assistant under Hugo Bruce. That is my own opinion. And my own opinion that if he work as an assistant under Hugo Bruce or any other professional where Cameroon don't ever get them.
Okay.
So now my own point that
Okay.
You go back some no be coach.
So we come on now, we enter now for another one. So for inside Yaounde, we go talk now how they be launched. Yes, the Women Day, where it get for happen for number 8 day for March 2024. Now so and now minister where they look at woman them matter for inside a country. Yes, become and woman that they come up plenty after they be sing kind song, sing national anthem from the first from the starting after they make prayer. Now the minister that woman where they for corner the governor for central region Nasiri Pobia now the woman that with green kaba so it become with BB people them for country as it explain them say they so Women's Day not na day for go dreaming but drink drunk and not na day for fight with their master not na day where married you get for separate. Women's Day na day where you get for come express your mind for governor so na me then governor a year the condition where woman them they live inside so plenty chop if they would be the sell am plenty for sure say this so some woman them they don't decide say this so farm you know the full person and someone they dey for inside business and the woman then too they be talk say this so if you find say me governor for Cameroon they try for put one of the woman their sister like governor to for inside a country because thing way man picking the do am a woman too in the do am pass am so countryman you don't hear the message we come out they way they launch Palava Women's Day. So they talk say Women's Day no me for go dance, no me for go drunk, no me for separate with their massa.
I fit talk say this one at the very first time.
Where you do hear?
Where woman they talk this kind of thing.
Yes.
The history of Women's Day.
Yes.
For this country since I know.
Yes.
So when they try to talk this, say not the only the head of woman supposed to talk, make the first lady of this country to come in.
No, you go there for matching.
No, I need to talk before time, not be on match.
Okay, me they talk as President Paul the
as yes. As the head of state.
No, that one Madame Chantal. It is Madame. But President Paul been a president where the population vote him.
No,
you understand?
No, I know they deny. Yes. I they talk for the woman.
Okay, for the woman side.
For the woman side.
Yes.
And then they talk to address the nation. I talk as well this woman they come. The first lady of this country, she's the first woman.
Where
the mother.
Yes.
For inside for all women. So this one a situation when she get will come in. Not be 1 time, not be 10 time, not be 15 time. Women they don't disgrace this country, Cameroon. Women they are the other time for Limbe where one woman go enter with car but inside is get a certain shop they call an easy shop. Go still inside easy shop.
Yes.
Well, it's been a very, very bad remark. Before women, she's still inside easy shop. We saw it. Not be 1 time, not be 2 time, not be 10 time where it don't happen. So I think say the first lady also supposed to address the women because very soon today the first we get just barely 7 days to get to the Women's Day.
Yes.
So the first lady also supposed to address these women them before time.
Okay, but the first lady he get for talk with woman them for number 8 day for this month. Yes, for place where they get for March. He get talk where he get for talk for all woman them. And any woman get for open the ear for that day. So, Mr. Hillary, what do you want to give them the advice for women and where they get for come outside for number 8 day for go enjoy? Me they leave them outside them for back.
Women.
Them.
Women. Women, no be big. Women are finished material by Bible. Why men are raw material? Because they remove woman from man for create woman. When means a woman still remain a subject under the husband. So man are the authority. Woman no get no right to disappoint or to be stubborn before the husband. So what are the travel talk they say? May when woman they go outside for go defile, for go enjoy, may they remember say there is somebody they need to answer sir unto. So may they put that for the back of their mind and may they work according to and in a respectful manner. And when they do so, I shall say the woman will be able to build this nation. And secondly, consider that act where they say may they give woman, make woman become a governor. Me I kick against that one. Woman they never start their responsibility as woman. So they don't ever make any woman governor. That is the head. The first president of every region is a governor. So woman don't get that time never reach for woman for take up their responsibility. They never keep their stand as women.
Okay. We leave that one now. We talk Palava Weti, we talk Palava Thief. for inside Douala. Now this boy them where they come out, they go for university for site for Douala. They go meet up some gondere. Now where they call am say this so me they go drink sweet mimbo. Now we as woman and two they hungry plenty and they like to think where they not gonna move money for buy am. Now where they come out go one time. This one we do with black clothes. Now where a call am a last take the girl say this so they could go now for site for Doxubi. He go now with the go come on knife. Now where the girl he enter room he lock am. After he talk for the girl say this so me they go enjoy for picker with after Ndokoti. The girl say this so enough wakai for night. Now where the boy he lock the girl he come out he go drink him mono fine he want come back. He say this so he get for chop soya before he sleep. Now for the way pala start after he be show knife and then he chop soya. He chop soya so take for 4 days last. This girl he last now he slice the okra. Time with this boy he will take number for his papa. He call he say this so they need 2 million before they go release their pikin. Now with this matter he hot so take complain he will go reach for PG. That means a judicial police for site for Bonanjo and then they turn open investigation. Time with the girl he don't slice the okra for inside the house and then he go blue alarm. Then come now can't catch that boy and when that boy he dey on for look up on a big mommy where he don't get OH he don't catch him. So now he dey now where he get for go for site for New Bell. Big mommy now he go she don't wait person no dey see kind of knife where would see him and some minister for Cameroon if you don't talk say for buy knife you get for show yes you get for show you get for show a receipt and you get for show your identity card the photocopy and then now we see that they said knife careless and now so they buy they take them for kiwi again day so with the time police for site for Bonanjo for the good work with the don't work am young boy then this one they dey for inside thief and they use a knife for take money for parents them. It be normal.
The one a very abnormal.
And where we just come out for celebrate youth day.
Na very abnormal situation this. To me that boy they supposed to send them for Kondengi.
One time where they not judge them.
They're not even supposed to judge them. Only that exhibit alone they don't already prove judgment. Only that exhibit it don't prove judgment.
Okay.
The guy will send that person for Kondengi direct, no waste of time. Because we don't go fit for the about that kind criminal than for this country. This country not been a criminal, not been a bunch of criminality. So they not get no right. But on the other hand, I want to talk also for that for girls. Girls at this time they don't develop a certain knowledge. Say and only man must give them. Another thing is send them, it is send them for problem. If girls are led to be contented with the small where they get up, I think say this kind of situation not going to happen. I don't know if you understand me.
I don't understand.
So the guys they say they be very, very careful. The boy don't over chop now, the guy chop on 4 days. Maybe every 4 minutes, maybe 4 hours. And until he still move now again to collect another money. As he say one, they get a problem because that long throat. How it caused the guy for getting to that shock. And the secondly, that guy supposed to go Kondengi. The one are clear. You know, no evidence, nothing, just the evidence alone, he permit that guy to go Kondengi.
We go leave that one, Mr. Hillary. We go talk now palava. This one will happen for side where they call am now for Bitoko village where the population is there now inside bush. And why they inside bush? Now because they don't run that town and then they say they so some people that become for town say they get for settle 1 million before they should for inside that village. After they say they so as price them 14 they don't go up. That means say they get for the pay now 5 million before they should for inside the village. So they decide them for go to remain for inside bush and mosquito if they over by them and they not get thing for chop. You know so Bitoko it then under Tinto subdivision for that side for Upper Banyan now for that side for Manu. So this family it is off and one of their brother a run village and then a broke your foot in the work stick where some more time you will see and then they tell you say this so some their friend they will be there together for inside bush they don't succeed for go to for where they come for sideway peace a day but who and why these people them they get for the pay and money before they should done for that village way another village.
Na very wrong idea that. You know, take person you drive for your own house.
Yes.
You say one on the house. That one a serious criminal.
No, they no one on the house. They say they need money. If they not give money, that means say they not go to shit down for that village.
Now the same thing now. When me say they not shit down for them, then go on them. Because the village not remain without people. So the people when they ask them money, they in charge to take over the place. So I think say this one government really need for coming as fast as possible. This one don't need any time time to waste. The government supposed to come in because you see so look at small children see how they suffer And some of us will sit down for Yaounde here, we drink our tea, we drink milk, we not care for no, and we are the head of government. So the government it really need work. I will not lie you. I think say, let the Minister of Territorial Administration call the governor down, the governor, and let the governor call the GO who is in charge of that place. Let intensive security be put in place. Because you know, see, look at. It may be for their houses, see place where they sleep, and someone don't go broke a leg. So the government really to rise up. This one call for the Minister of Territorial Administration, because he's in charge of internal security. He's in charge of internal security. So please, Mr. Minister, our father, please rise up. People are suffering, people are dying. People are suffering.
Well, anyhow we do, we go only the try small. Me we come on now, we talk about this one. Nothing will happen from my 24 for site for Womb Road. When you come out for Womb for come for site for Bafot, they say they saw something happen. What happen? Me we say we go see him. Now so it happen. What we see him? Now a camion them where a fire, it don't burn them. Fire come off outside for burn all this camion them. Now question where people in the ask them. Say they so this one now people that are capital and themselves they chop now through this camion and the camion them they ever go move na sand cancel them for those who they want bring development for inside town and for some villages them for side for northwest Cameroon. So now in this way they don't burn them all and the one burn them they take driver and motorboy they say now 6 camion, some people they say now 5 camion, but camion driver and motorboy all the day for bush and they talk say so for release one person they get for pay 300,000. This one now big losses. So Mr. Hillary, matter for northwest and southwest, sometimes it shows they don't finish, sometimes it shows they come again back strong. Wetty we fit do am for say may peace or may this matter a end.
General.
Yes.
Matter for Southern Cameroon, it never we not even dream for see how we fit talk say it don't finish. Because we never see no measures where it don't be put in place where go guarantee we say the matter there like say it don't almost be finished. Not even talk of finish. See exactly what they happen. You say take your time, see. People, their parents, they inside bush, they suffer, they lament. Capital, they don't be wasted. Canals are being roasted. So not been a time where the government in this act they need to call for a peaceful dialogue. Let our father, the head of government, try to see into this thing. It is too much. People are dying, people are crying, and the government is sitting. And what I will say, it is well, it is not well. We should like to say the truth, it is not well.
Then Mr. Hillary,
yes.
When you talk to this to me, they look the solution. We be sure say this so national dialogue it will bring a solution because they will create a commission and commissions that they do their work.
Sir,
how you remember talk say this so
if I will understand yes. what to be solution.
But the commission where they don't create and the armament, you see say this so plenty don't come off for bush and they did now for DDL center.
Na good thing if really say that people where they carry gun they leave them. Na good thing. If really say na those boys them they say they drop those gun come for DDR center, na good thing. Ever since when did it still happen? If it be say the commission are working, where did it happen? See what did happen today? Where's the disarmament commission? Where is they?
That means say the commission not exist.
They exist. If it exist, I should say by this time peaceful discussion, if we don't already put in place.
But national dialogue, if it don't be, and there be no say this, so as national dialogue, it is finished, peace it could don't reign for northwest and southwest.
You sure see that thing be a national dialogue?
But it will be now waiting.
Na monologue. It was not a dialogue. We all watch it, we saw it.
And then why people they will come out all the 10 regions they come.
People, if national dialogue or peaceful commission or peaceful discussion is supposed to happen, I'm not sure it will be enough for this our country.
It will be enough for that.
There are nations outside like Switzerland.
But we not be get problem for inside Cameroon and then we go to south.
Sir, this one not be an internal issue, na external. We need external people to come in because internally will never work. Okay. I should say even for your house, when you get issue with your wife, if your wife na Christian, I should say they run for a pastor for sick advice.
But pastor no a family member.
No be family member.
How different person go solve problem?
Because you need a counselor outside to build your home. There are people who are good, who are gifted.
Okay, you said you be proposed waiting, and you be proposed waiting.
My proposal, I say,
yes,
make the head of government recall national dialogue.
Second time.
Not the second time, it will be the first. Because the first one will be happen, it was not national dialogue. Because when the people they bring their own suggestion, none of the suggestions were taken into consideration. None of the suggestions were taken into consideration. So it may not make a national dialogue. They were not taken into consideration. We saw it, we watched it.
So you propose me they come back again with the national dialogue.
But they call for
and then
national
who them where they get for invite. They go invite who now.
Like I said earlier talk, they need to invite foreign bodies. Like the Switzerland, they need to invite those people, bring the question on the table, the both parties, and to be honest with you, if this issue need to take place for this country, my brother, I will not lie, it will not work. It will not, because some of the people who they spearhead this issue for English Cameroon, they're not there for here, they're there outside, and they know say for come for here, it will be a trap for them. So I suggest say they should better do it. Take it somewhere where it go bring the mind of the people together, and then from then I sure say the country go take its normal stand.
Okay, so anything again on time, and any man it propose it on, and no say talk where you don't talk the people them where they be in charge, they don't carry the talk, they don't keep and we if you help country, man no person way if it's bring solution for any problem. We come on now, we enter the site for Baminda town. Now Baminda main market where surprise business people them, and even people where they come by market is start the catch fire. They talk say this, so if we start for one shop, and where the man a just come up for log his shop, he take Okada. Now where they go you one time for inside for go into your house, he never even reach for house, they call you say it is so, may turn back because the shop in the bond where you want to come now here with fire a come out a start and a last generate so take a bond 300 shop them where the show say so 300 family they did now where they not get team for shop now we a make now all man for that side a big day for confusion and then total panic with it because some people them pom if they talk to so now bomb it don't fire someone they say no now current other people they say they say they don't burn because for Cameroon when something it happen any man they talk it until it happen so now it what happen now city mayor and the Joe for site for Mizam, all them they be joined for go visit wait it really happen. So now do that we come for really see them. But as they come visit the place, till where they happen now say those where they be say for upside the shop, they talk say this so then too they be get shop where they show now say this so if they come out paper say me any man put the name for list you could last say this so the number of shop where they call and say 300 it could last be more than 500. So they beg say this so any person where we get shop and where we pay they get for bring you receive them they get for bring now you paper them where it shows that this so it be the honor for shop for that side. So now wait till that will be happen as they don't start to take name them for those where they don't present their photocopy for ID card and even their photocopy for books them where it shows that this so now it be the honor for the shop. So they don't start to take the name them and then they put them for paper. So now I LTM George Eto when a correspondent for LTM for site for Bamina, you be turn up for place where this matter it be happen. They will go for visit. George Eto, wait you are I a catch am for site for Bamina. Me we hear to where they talk.
It's known for Bamina main market. You can see am for your phone like plenty other people them for Palava Fireway. If be broke this side for main market where be born. People their shop. Today we there for outside because so we see some book where them design them. They say a book say commission go to come you can check Palava the fire. But we want to take you this time around now for actually waka you make you see the side where the fire be actually start and then you go ask yourself whether now this thing do or another thing. We know if we talk wait to cause the fire, we will make big people from governor then talk, but if you only take you go for the scene, make you see the situation for yourself. I invite you like all other country people that made a follow we can see where place where they shot the fire they actually start. So basically countrymen now for here where they say the fire is start. However, you come inside this you can see basically waiting in the day. Waiting where my eye is see it shows say it dey like some na it smell like na rubbing oil, some dey smell like na chemical or wetin wey me sef I no fit talk na container this wey e dey show part of the thing dem wey dem start burn. From the tori wey we gather am from country people wey dem be dey for here, na actually the first place this way start burn as the fire start for here before e spread go for left, e go for right. Tori sef we don gather am as we commission dey go, na say na almost 300 shop dem and more wey dey actually be affected by this fire. The big question wey dey ask am na say the people wey their shop dem burn, wetin dey go on with their life. Most of them come today, dem can't stand for line like wey you don see am for image dem. Make they talk how much be dey for their shop, which kind thing dem be dey sell am, and then they show picture dem wey government go gather am. Government never talk whether dem go gather am for give them money or they go gather am for tell them asha, or whether head boy for government he go come back for here for can't talk anything. I no go like for put my hand for inside the chemical, but I go like make you look small the color way e dey. If camera fit come for down here, it can look small the way the chemical e dey. You go see am for put hand for inside. I no go want do, but now basically part of the thing that this we don't know whether na chemical or na oil or na wetin. We no go book for check that one. Then a part of the remains where fire it don burn and this one self na spoon na container that. And if you look self for here, you go see some one way it dey like na water or na chemical or na wetin na part of the thing, and that way they don't burn kaku way it don't burn completely. Now from here where the fire the start container the self the other thing them, and you go look for other store them for here. Now for here where the fire it start before it be actually burn. As a way would the way BB communicate for governor for talk waiting especially if you don't cause the fire, but if you find me we know from whose side the fire it start. But the tori way we say we don't gather now say the people then where they will be affected by the fire, just know them know the cell. Would also see am say some place then they way then be move the zinc for on top their shop them, and as they be move the zinc now for prevent them, just know as we enter inside market some shop the way them not be born they not start to put the zinc back. We say we don't try for ask big question say if they not succeed for put the zinc all today, wait to go happen for their kako where they inside the market, them go people go enter na first if you enter they see farm now that question not fit answer, but we be here to say security day for inside the market for say that one not happen. We also gather to say some people the way they are store it not be born they remove their kako, but as they move kako put them for outside other people then too they thief them. If you ask me the other people, I know if you talk because now they talk where we say we gather for country people. We don't try to for talk with plenty of them, but so one them they say they are happy, heavy plenty, they not fit talk. So one they say they go prepare for they quiet. So one they talk to the two way don't happen for they never happened before. And so one they say they will see how it will be better. But principally for all the way we meet up and today, one of the big cry I say make they try to fix the market so that they fit start to do their work again quickly. They talk say because say them be biting them for sideway exchange rate if they fine. So if they fix the market quickly, them go start. Other one they say make they try to see say they get water reservoir for inside market so that this kind of thing they happen again, they go fit immediately get water way, they go stop them. So when they talk say make they try to see say them be in a market shed way, they get a staff, may not get a zinc. Because you know say zinc be bomb the staff it go take time. So when they say they try to check now the kind connection where they use them, because the kind connection to the matter how it burn. But for all the talk them as a city mayor, we talk one talk with 30 people. He say this market them be built for 1950, and say if you take 1950 to now time where they not be see how way the market go grow. But just know the market don't grow so they accommodate pass. Say plan them day for make the market make it better for accommodate the insurance company. Na dream where you don't talk, when you wait where the plan it go turn reality. Now me George Eto, I for LTM for special assignment for Bamenda Commercial Avenue for Talk Palava. That fireway, it don't leave more than 300 business people them.
I for LTM as he don't blow talk. Mr. Hillary.
Yeah.
I for LTM if there for the life and he don't blow talk, all we don't hear. So now Mr. Hillary, na big losses for the population and the business people them for Bamenda main market.
Yes.
They say 300 shops.
I love the strategy where the GO take them.
For do how?
Say you bring your certificate for identify say you be get shop.
Yes.
Because if not be so, I just will record about 5,000 people where they get shop for that market.
Yes.
So the strategy be good. But my main problem here now say Bamenda council no get firefighters.
Now question that because for inside Bamenda SSF, firefighters brigade they get now one tanker we did now for service. So the other one them according to the commandant Tago, we be the talk for we he talks to this, so the other one them they did for garage, we they retire with for arrange a whole town.
When you see say Bamenda in case of land scope.
Yes.
Bamenda fit dey compare Yaounde. Bamenda na very big. Bamenda get vast land. Where I not sure say one fire tanker if he survive the city Bamenda.
Enough it.
You see where to talk where to most of time if we see things like this one it depend me. This one an act of negligence. That's how we put them. So an act of negligence, the government don't neglect that area. How only one tanker you go there for a whole city like Bamenda. See what the disaster will do happen. I say another thing there. If you look at the place where Mr. Eto show, you go see that thing a chemical. Not an ordinary water that.
And they say now for the way
when the fire is still, he come out. Well, you see something be buried under that place.
So investigation they go on. For no way to wait happen.
It's supposed.
Yes.
It's supposed.
So me we leave that chapter now. We talk palava this one. We go talk palava this boy where they kidnap 8-year boy where they kidnap for side for Awin. They bring him for side for Chang. They ask money 3 million. Family it not be succeed for common time, but family be back. Say they sold me then take a 500,000. They accept. As they take the 500,000 after they press this 8-year old picking. So take a die last they carry on top Okada from Chang go to with them for site for Kotaba, they sell the cops for some person for 10 million, and then after they want divide money, some people them run with money, they catch this countryman with the talk, and the tell we say this so he had the inside. Maybe we hear where this countryman they talk before Hillary go talk. Talk me we hear countryman how he be pass.
Take a motor we go for there. Every time a motor go there. We go there with Adola and knock that door Bruka. He take that picking, we go. He just press na he and Adam, then press na neck for that picking, so then kill her. Then put him for on top by, then tire. Then go with him for tire and then sell him for Alichai.
No, now na kill the picking, you know be Didi.
I be there.
Hello. You two to join kill the picking now.
No, then be killer, so then be killer. And
you two no join kill the picking.
We be go there, how we be go there, so that man then press that, Gato say made the no killer, then just kill him one time, then put him for back. Or then at the same
time, the picking go sell him.
Then put
they forgot the picking.
No, they not be cut.
They do go sell him for you. When I sell him for you, how much?
Then be sell 10 million, then be just say then go give me, or they no be give me, now so then cash me. We go, so we take a motor, we go for there. Every time a motor go.
So you don't hear no? So they go jam door, and then door open, they take this picking, they car with them, after they take money 500,000, they press the neck, he die. Nothing with the talk. So, Mr. Hillary, if this picking be na your picking, or picking for your brother or your sister, it happens, so wait if you talk.
I know lie, you not try for my picking. I know lost I go if I'll kill your bone. I tell you. Even they talk, I don't hear don't use the word say you know they I don't know the amount where the people ask them.
Now the question and the tell we say this so that man where he buy this picking is
he talk and say 10 million.
Yes.
How you don't know if it not be dead?
No, it don't last talk say this so they be talk say they go give you on.
He was a member.
Yes. So but the one way over worry the population for Cameroon now say we the year say this so they don't catch person where he buy the cops and they say na a business where they do am for inside Cameroon and the man na instead foreigner where they come send people them for picking them, kill people them buy the cops. So they don't catch them according to the tower of the year, but we never see them. They be get for show them for population. Why did they waste time for show this kind of person for population?
If person want talk now, they go say it to talk. If a person want talk,
but you be Cameroonian, you get for talk for this kind of matter.
If you analyze and you mean say some people their hand they inside.
Where the show say they don't receive through their
don't receive their own envelope.
And then person they don't job chop na soya for small picking the population for
the whole world.
And then the person where they kill, we get na a group for people and where they send them.
They no see
them. We no see. That means say something they wrong.
That why I talk say it means some people their hand it they evolve. So it means say this our country now don't they live on buying and selling of human being. You hear me so?
Yes.
We don't they live on buying and selling of human being. Because without that, why they go sell person they find small thing inside the 10 million, small thing inside the 500,000. Then the person a business, what does it do for a long time, they no publish them. Because they know say if they publish and some of them too, they go come in. When me say something na business for society caliber of persons for this country. Na business. So I think that this boy, even they never kill the person first, make the boy do all means for show the person where buy the cops.
Yes, but the thing where we say to Raymond Edisiam na say how person go come out
for different countries.
How person go come out for Chang. Take a whole back with picking inside Tayam on top Okada.
Pass with
so go with Tangori with them for Kutaba with all the controls. You understand now say this so. Those were the day for checkpoint that they ask na only identity card, they know the check wait away, Okada carry am or moto carry am. So we get for put open eye now for checkpoint because it don't come some kind way. Now we come up, we talk about this one, another one. Now some boy where they catch am for side for Ndu and where it torment the population for that side. Now where population for Ndu, they come out. Now so they put the trap. Time where it won't stop some moto for come out gone. So they may charge any person take a people that capital. Now where they catch am. Can't see how population they vex mad this man after the pan they say the pan na acho for that side and it talks say so. He had in order for inside the matter. Say this so if the pass na pass, but question where they ask them, gone where you get them. Now gone where you come off outside. It shows say this so plenty driver them they confess say this so this man he don't over disturb them for that road for come up for side from do for reach for side from Cambe. Say they take them money, take even the one for passengers. Say they plenty but they don't succeed for catch that one. That means the population for that side they don't do fine work. But question where will ask them that say they don't catch them, they don't hand them for who or they don't last beat them, leave them. Man, he don't know again what he last pass. Yes, so we just see them so they overvex for that route. You see them no, and population they talk say this so time where the road if they for inside doors or inside mud. Till people then not be the block motor for that place. Now time where they don't start for dig the road where they show say development they come. Now way and you them the one come spoil and walk where governor for Cameroon it don't give for Donga Mantu division.
Make the government from Donga Mantu division rise up.
For do how?
For stop all this thing.
But
if you don't say no be day, they're going to be the fly na fly.
Now thing where we ask them. You know that for Cameroon they say gun na bed where they fly. You see a gun that they fly, that they land for inside bush, and then we turn with dog for the fetch them for the look sideway gun day. So the only thing where we talk for the population for Donga Mantum division, I say me they put more security for that route.
That is
yes, so that me some person not block or walk where you get for pass. For Donga Mantum division, now this one where SDO Mr. George where they come up for upside a ton for check walk where they go on for national route number 11. Me we see how it happen for that side from Kambe. This one now the new SDO for Donga Mantum division that. Yes. Now the continue that where he don't talk to them so it get for ton for see work where government it begin for contract to them. Road for come over side from Bamkikai, Junction for Congo. Now, Bones Company, where they fix road from that side, carry for people they can say from here. Now they're on Caterpillar than that, where they do work for that side. From here, go for side for Bamkikai, Junction for Congo. Yes, so the SDO going for that side, look how the company work. And then it confirms it so that means say what? If you go in the proper, so you get for same news for President Paul Biya say so he don't see him and he mop he don't talk him. He never and only for that side for do he don't come for for side from Bayer for country for side from Cambe. Now Mark company we don't they take that place and it work fast because it don't reach now for that side for Benju. That means a more time he on work to it go finish. So now he on cackle this where it work take a work the road day come over side for Benshua country for upper mode, reach for side for lower mode, pass for that side for Benka, and then a day for side for that side for Benshua, and a land for Cambe town. After it go reach for side for Benju before another company it go take them, and there another company when I get for Siam now still Mark company it dey sote for this side. So on for that side it is glad for their country their man that end it where you don't take this word for that side. This one are Bofast now another company where it dey take them now he on a caterpillar that this it dey take them for under police station for Benju for going with them for Domu yes Domu where they under Mr. subdivision. So now so they divide the work for 3 companies, so that means the work it go quick. So the countryman it talks to this. So if all contractor them for the work so for Cameroon no contract it not will be way they don't leave them halfway. So now in that way they talk with the worker them and then it explain them. Now the countryman this way now you don't take a chair for Dr. Simon Kwetindo. Now the countryman this and then this one now delegate for public works for site for Donga Mantum division as it talk for this one now person where the chief for the project for Mark company as it talk, and then the other last person we go talk now person for site for bombs yes bomb company where you say it talk how they take the work they go with them before countryman waiting for talk Donga Mantum population small time they come out for inside mud and they go come out for inside doors they go then for Konta.
Now very big celebration and congratulations for the Geo where govern that area.
SDO.
The SDO.
Yes.
For that area. My prayer now say no this our country. For start something, no be the problem. Now for finish them, now be the problem. They be start a condo titi in the Mondemba road. We see caterpillar, we see everything. Why the road there now? So what do I happen for that side? Make it not happen for this side. Now just my fear that. Now good thing for the job for start. For start not be the problem, but now for go finish them, now be the problem. So, congratulations to you, Mr. SDO. We celebrate your good work. We thank you for what you are doing. But we beg you, say, as you carry and go, may go reach to the finishing level. Make it not tomorrow people start regret.
And those who they get the companies, the contractors, all them they don't confirm, say they so they get for finish the work because government for Cameroon it be study Mr. Hillary, they be study they study the contractor, they decide say they so better they give the work now for picking them for Donga Mantum division.
Good.
Yes. So where you look for Bayer to Kumbo now picking for Donga Mantum division, Booms now picking for Donga Mantum, and then Mark company now picking for Donga Mantum, and then Bofast now picking for Donga Mantum. So they don't give them because they know say they so then too they don't see how the population don't suffer inside mud. So better na say me na them move the population inside mud. So that one a good thing.
Now
if they make us so for different side it go fine. Yes, but we prayer now say me God a try way for make us say me they finish the route so me people them they work on top contact because
it's so sweet. Yes. They wear white clothes.
Yes, because Donga Mantum na the oldest division for Cameroon.
Yeah.
But it dey for mud. So government for Cameroon it won't come out for inside the mud.
Yeah.
So last story before one come out na palava accident where plenty guy is there for chapter for this accident. Na accident will happen na for that side for after yes na accident will happen after Makenene where you come out for Yaounde for go for side for West region. This motor so camion it can cut 70-seater and then 3 people and they die and where they come out for one family. So some girl where able to sell for some business place for Kate Samta Babara for corner to the house. Yes, it be victim for this accident. Now with the talk so the day for cry die for site for Fabric Ngoso. So the family is there for total cry die because they don't lost 1 girl and 2 man picking. So you see nothing where with the talk today. So for inside 70-seater, you know they understand whether na 70 passenger, but time where accident don't happen, you they understand say this so they be there for inside pass even 100 because some people they stand for up, someone they should go down, and they all them they pass for checkpoint. So we they talk Asha for the family where they don't lost their family member. So chapter for accident for inside Cameroon, what we get for do for stop the accident, countryman.
What to get for do for stop the accident and they work for safety. For semi accident, road safety. Not be firefighter safety. Road safety. Now they are placed for make sure so they take if they are your car, they carry now 70%, make they go inside that motor, count them if now 100%, 70%, they inside. Because it may be some of them they should not show, I don't enter bus. When people they should not show. So why they show drive or corner driver? So I think if I accident, how would the driver succeed for dodge the accident, for prevent the life of the people? Yet they know road safety, they don't get time. Their own level should have, if you can't pass, you give the way to what they ask you, you go your way. When a very wrong idea, the very wrong thing for this government for the work that way.
Yes. So now when the one miss today, let's say for Cameroon with the slip for checkpoint as we don't finish talk. So Mr. Hillary will get for common now, and you know say this so. We don't just pass for down there. We see how some people them they way they return that film and they toxic that film now for you them for inside country. You say you be one of the actor them for film them for Cameroon. What you get for talk? You say you don't put eye. You see where to way be the pass.
Yes. What way the pass now say the film they call the film say stand for the living. And what me say the film that stand for the living. What me say support person where they are alive. No be tell person don't die, you run camp for your aid. That one a very bad remark. So this one it teach not only the youth, but the inhabitants of Cameroon. So some big project they will come, stand for the living, and avoid what they talk. They say they get another film when I be their main project. They call and say father's love. Now what way Papa he get them for do for prevent and secure a house.
Voilà. Because for Cameroon Nana say when you see picking, it is just she don't the way they look pa. Say me pa die quick so me take a kako. You know the one for work. So na fighting. So we could try so because plenty they complain say work no day, but if man did say water, he go so any living. So plenty thing and they will get for do. They know the call for this program every Friday. They know the call. So with the salute, person what they can say adjutant, yes, adjutant, Kadje, yes, Kadje, Paul. We there for side for Libya them. He watch the program with the salute all the adjutant them for inside country and with the great chief, the parliament chief for side for Boya, USSF. He watch the program. We salute all the people that they watch with for side for Kumba. We salute Bafo people and we salute the parliament chief for that side. We salute too. The parliament chief for side for Manu, we then say they not miss their program. We salute Oma for that side, and we salute to those from Ndian, yes, to all the chief them from Ndian, and we not forget the mayor and the chief for that side for Edina, yes, and we salute to Chief Henry, you know Chief Henry Diko. Now chief for that side for Mayville village, you know they miss the program even na occasion we get on the palace, you get for follow the program first before a come out for us. So we salute all the chief them for side for Southwest, and we salute to all the chief them for side for Central Region. Yes, more time we will give last talk. We salute to Mr. Nsabu, yes, Mr. Nsabu Bates, Mr. Nsabu Bates. We watch the program for side for Soza, and we salute to Mr. Ndokong Aruna. Ndokong Aruna, he did to for side for Susan with Ndokong Mary, all them the day for front that television with the salute to Madame Vera, he did to for side for Susan. So with the great all man for Susan, we watch the program. Say me when I try for share the Facebook link, me go all side for your contact, and then with the salute all man we he did for that side. Even Tanto Duke Saga, we the watch we for that side. We don't forget Mr. Thomas, we did for side for Fumbot, he watch the program. So Mr. Hillary, the time he don't come for
yes, don't catch us.
So your last talk before we come out.
Before I go talk my last talk, I want to salute my friend, my brother. He just text me say the program they go on now.
Yes.
Prophet Francis Nkongo, he should have for before television that the image and this way they send them as with the talk. And I don't also forget the Lord Mayor himself for Manu, for Manfe.
Yes.
I thank you because I know say they follow us. And I don't also forget Bright Future Entertainment to salute them. Say may they do well for spread this good news. And I don't also forget Enyarasa, I'm a very good friend, and Jamila, I'm a very good friend too, and Ignatius, all of them I'm a very good friend. Not forgetting Mr. Gaspar, where they sit down from Bankolo Carrefour. I salute all of you as soon as they put on a hand. And my last talk I say, make our government rise up to keep peace and security for the citizens of this country.
Yes, me your government rise up for bring peace, because Cameroon, their motto, now peace work for the land, green, red, yellow. Now why that way you get the motto peace work for the land, so we get for follow the green, red, yellow. So we salute all the children for side for West region, and we salute all the chief them. For East region, we salute all the chief them. For that side for Littoral, we salute all the imam and the aldo and even the alaji them with the different side for northern part for Cameroon. We salute all the fund them for Noni and for side for Bui. We thank them plenty for the peace where they bring up for that side. We salute all the fund them for side for Donga and Mantum division, and then we salute to the fund them for that side for Wimbum land where they did now for side for Bafosam, and we greet the parliamentarian them for the 5 subdivision for that side for Donga Mantum, and we greet to those who did the other side for Ngokituja. We salute the fund for Baba Yisese Baba 1 in order to miss the program. We salute the title holder them for that side. We salute to the fund for that side for Bamungo, yes, the fund for Bamungo, and the chief for Mokang, Mokang Quarter for Bamungo. We salute all them, and then the fund for Mancon. We salute the fund them for that side for Bali, all the Bali them, and fund them for Batibo, and fund them for that side for the fund them for that side for now for Melon. So we could come out the go with the thank all man where they follow the program for Saturday, and me we know say this, so plenty things and they will get for work with the camp only on winner, and with the talk Asha for family for Peter when a driver way they shoot him for side for Manfred today that they come out the cops. So when you want videos on TV, send them for way, me you hold your phone now, so when you hold and so you video and you send them for way, when you send them for way begin the wait time because we get for show them. So with the back yesterday some man be complaining this, so we know the show team them for Southwest, but plenty people them they not say this, so we know the choose on side way we the show team them for that side. If you get a problem, you know come with them for commissariat enough it come for you. So me any man it try for a send way team way it go through with time for a village. So we thank plenty now the president for youth, Eshimbi youth. Yes, the president for Eshimbi youth them where they do all and all for gather youth them, and then development they go for that side because any town way that they should on that they be hall for that place. We return to president for youth for Mabi. Yes, Mabi what for side for Donga Mantum where they do plenty and those for that side for Ntundi. So person where we did today now Mr. Hillary where we did with we, and then we return Mr. Francois where you say a day for dashboard, Mr. Lobe we did for back camera, me they call me General Moko, the only general for Cameroon where they work on now with broom for sweep country, but the broom them don't finish all when they only make na promise for upside when I know the same way broom, so it no look good. We decided we prophet when a prophet for sick for side for the walla it the cash all talk we would get them, and I the prayer for we and the family will not forget the woman where they take care for the messenger for God when Madame Benis it take care for we for make us will shine and get the power for come blue talk, and with the salute to the family for that side for Saint Village, with the salute to the family for side for Chop Village. We not to forget Mama Helena Jane where they watch the program, and even person where they call him Emmanuel Ngwang. We not forget to Mr. Ngir, yes Ngir, where he did for us and Ngir where he did for Chop Village. We salute all man for Chop Market Square where they watch the program. So happy weekend for any person. Say we could only meet up for Monday if God will accept. We don't go. Bye bye.